Hi guys, I didn't see you there. But anyways, let's get started with our different video. You might be wondering what is that gonna be, and that starts with a F. Elephant, no, fake nails. So there's 24 nails in this, and I have 15 fake nails, and yeah, let's get started opening it. So so we have to open up here, I think. Yeah. So yeah. So my other videos took a long time because I don't know how old was I, but now I'm starting a brand new videos. Oop, I got the top off. The top. Here's a shiny to keep it shiny like that. So there's all of it is, let me count how many. So the baby ones have 5 shiny bits. I don't know how much is the other ones. Let's get started opening it. So there's all of the shiny bits. There's no glue. Yeah. So the gems, like in my competition, there's a lot of gems, and these are the gems, but not that gems. So and it has some sticky bits at the bottom, so you don't need any glue. But the glues are for big glues and only for grown-ups. But I'm a kid. So let's get started putting these on my nails. One shiny bit comes off. Oh no. So here's my fake nail form, and here's my real name form, and now we'll stick it on.